Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT in WordPress. Are you looking for a guide on how to use ChatGPT on WordPress? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now here. We are using Social Intent's guide because I've read this all, and it is it's very substantial. So it says here, add ChatGPT to WordPress. Did you know that you can now add ChatGPT to your WordPress website easily to offer AI customer service and even configure your ChatGPT for WordPress plugin to send your chats to humans if the ChatGPT bot cannot answer the questions? So, in this video, we'll show you how to embed ChatGPT into WordPress as a live chat in your WordPress website. This ChatGPT plus live chat integration also supports inviting human agents from your collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zoom so that you can create a full-featured live chat customer service solution that includes AI as well as human interaction. All right, so things you can do with the ChatGPT for WordPress plugin. The first one is pre-qualify your leads with a ChatGPT chatbot. Choose your ChatGPT model. Set up initial system messages for the ChatGPT API. Set up escalation trigger phrases to send chats to human agents. Send links to important URLs. Upload and download files. Register leads to your service with a Zapier integration. Answer common questions with a fully automated ChatGPT chatbot. Have ChatGPT answer when human agents are not available. And offer 24/7 AI live chat support. So why do you need to use ChatGPT for your WordPress chatbot? So ChatGPT is the most advanced AI solution in the market right now, and it's easily added to WordPress using your OpenAI key and integration with live chat by Social Intent's WordPress plugin. So you got to understand that you can't probably use it for free. You need the subscription, right? So natural language processing, ChatGPT uses contextual conversation to respond to visitor questions in a conversational manner. Easy integration, ChatGPT can be integrated easily into your live chat settings using your own OpenAI API key. Full control, since the solution integrates directly to your ChatGPT and OpenAI account, you maintain full control over which models are used and how the chatbot is trained. And option human escalation is use this live chat solution in conjunction with your existing customer service team. So have the AI answer when agents are not available or escalate to humans when the AI chatbot can't answer the visitor. So here is an example ChatGPT chatbot in WordPress. As you can see here, this is a chat correspondence. Yeah, as you see here. And then here are the steps, a step-by-step guide on how to add ChatGPT to WordPress. And here are the prerequisites, the requirements that you need. OpenAI ChatGPT account. And there's a link here, of course, Social Intent account, WordPress account, of course, high-level steps, create a live chat app in Social Intents. Number 2, create your OpenAI API key after registration. Number 3, add your OpenAI API key to your Social Intents chatbot settings. And number 4, deploy your live chat plugin to WordPress using our WordPress live chat plugin. So number 1 is to create a live chat app in Social Intents. If you don't already have an account in Social Intents, you got to register there. It's very easy. And once you sign up, you can pick up an integration with Microsoft Teams, Slack, or a standalone account. The integrations will be used to invite in live chat agents when you want to escalate a website chat from the chatbot to live chat agents. So as you can see here, right? And number 2, create your OpenAI account. If you're here, you probably already have this, right? Once you log into OpenAI, click your profile and select View API Keys. Now create a new API key to use in your Social Intents chatbot settings integration. As you can see here, add your OpenAI API key to Social Intents. Okay, now that you have created a live chat app, go to the chat settings in Social Intents by clicking on My Apps, then edit settings of your chat widget. Click on the chatbot settings tab. There, Name your bot, choose an avatar for the chatbot, and select chatbot type of ChatGPT with OpenAI. Right. So as you can see, this is pretty much it, right? Chatbot type, chatbot action, as you can see, right? Okay, so the human escalation trigger phrases can be used to match on user intent when they want to reach to a live agent. When one of these phrases is matched, we invite your human agents by sending live chat invites to Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, or Webex. Once your agents answer the chats, then the bot drops out of the conversation automatically. So there you go. So deploy ChatGPT to WordPress using the WordPress plugin. Finally, you simply install a live chat by Social Intents WordPress plugin and add the live chat API key to the plugin settings. Find your WordPress API key in Social Intents. So for Microsoft Team users, this is pretty much it. As you can see, it's down here. And then install your code snippet. And for Slack and WebEx and Zoom, if you are not using Microsoft Teams, simply log into your Social Intents account and click on the install code snippet link in the left-hand navigation. As you can see here, it's on the very bottom. You'll see a pop-up that will display your WordPress API key, like so. Save this API key for use in the next step below, which is add your ChatGPT live chat plugin to WordPress. So now you will add the live chat plugin to WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin site, and then to the plugin link. Click on the add new button to add a plugin. Right, as you can see. Now search for the plugin name live chat for Microsoft Teams and Slack. Then click install now. Once installed, click on the settings in the plugin. Now you'll see a text field called your app key. So this is where you put your API key, right? And then after that, well, your ChatGPT for WordPress is now installed. Now your ChatGPT chatbot for WordPress is enabled on your website and is ready to answer your visitor questions. Like so, as you can see here, right? And yeah, so that's how you use ChatGPT with WordPress. That's the whole installation guide. This is using Social Intents, and we are using Social Intents guide to doing so. Step-by-step guides, very simple, very easy to integrate to your WordPress website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.